In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide using Google Sheets functions. If you're new to Google Sheets, this is a great place to start because these basic formulas help you do quick calculations automatically. Instead of using a calculator separately, you can let your spreadsheet do the math for you, which saves time and reduces mistakes. Let's begin with addition. To add two values together in Google Sheets, click on the cell where you want the answer to appear and type the formula equals A1 plus B1. Written out, that looks like this. Equals A1 plus B1. After you press enter, Google Sheets will calculate the total of the numbers in cells A1 and B1. This is useful anytime you want to combine values, such as expenses, quantities, or scores. Next is subtraction. If you want to subtract one value from another, click on the cell where you want the result and type equals A1 minus B1. Then press enter. Google Sheets will take the value in cell B1 away from the value in cell A1. This is helpful for finding differences, such as how much budget you have left or the gap between two numbers. Now let's look at multiplication. To multiply values, select the cell where you want the result and enter equals A1 star B1. The star symbol is the multiplication operator in Google Sheets, so even though you may think of multiplication as an X, the spreadsheet uses an asterisk instead. Press enter, and the product of the two cells will appear. This is especially useful when working with prices and quantities or calculating totals based on repeated values. Finally, for division, click the cell where you want the answer and type equals A1 slash B1. Then press enter. Google Sheets will divide the value in A1 by the value in B1. Division is helpful when you want to find averages, rates, or per unit values. One important thing to remember is that every formula in Google Sheets begins with an equal sign. That tells the spreadsheet you're entering a formula instead of plain text. Also, make sure the cells you're referencing contain numbers or your result may not calculate the way you expect. Once you understand these four formulas, you'll be able to handle many everyday spreadsheet tasks with confidence. Practice each one a few times and you'll quickly get comfortable using Google Sheets for basic math.